today's video is going to be an unboxing. I had basically bought a ring light on Amazon. They sent me the wrong thing. It made me mad. Blase, blase, blase. I had to send it back. So I didn't want to buy another one off of Amazon. I know most people get their ring lights offline. But, you know, I had to hurry up and Google where can I buy a ring light in the store. So Best Buy popped up. So I did pay a little bit more extra for this, but I think it was worth it in order for me to get it. And it's really big and it's really nice as well. So this is the ring light. It's like a box, one of those boxes when those big fans come in. It's like bigger than my car tire, you guys. And I like it already. So I'm in the Atlanta area, so I'm at work and I'm basically trying to look up things, ring lights, and around my location where I stay, none. They was going to ship it to me. I didn't want it shipped. I wanted to make sure I had it. So they had one at the Buckhead location, but I would have had to go all the way up there after work and then all the way back home. I was like, nah, that would have been too much traffic. But yeah, this might be a little bit weird. I looked up one in Greenville, South Carolina, because I was going up there the next day, and they had one there ready and available for pickup at that very day. So what I did is I went on ahead and I bought it online and I put it ready for pickup in store, and that kind of made me feel a little bit better because I knew I had it. It wasn't damaged. It was the right product. So I couldn't wait to get up there so I could see it. And it's 19 inches, you guys. It comes with a stand. A carrying bag, the charger, of course, and it does have the 3 different shades as well. So it's big, as you can see. So if I can get this open, my nails are so long. So comes in this nice little bag. And now look all professional. And it also has this bag right here where you can put the cord and everything in. Right here. That's the side. And it also has a clip thing for your phone where you can attach onto it. And then it has this, and this is the stand, you guys. So and again, this is what the box looks like. Here is the stand. The stand goes up 70 inches. And let me take this out for you guys. I really do like this bag. It's pretty much for everything in here. This is the light. This is the light, you guys. So I'm about to fix it up real quick. And let's see. I guess that's how you put it right here. So I'm not going to do a stand that high for the purpose of the video. And You do have to screw the screws on here to tighten it, of course, just like any other stand. Yep, it's not going nowhere. And it's very simple, I think. And let me put that lower. I think it's so big. And then you want to screw this in the same way. You tighten the stand. Just keep screwing, keep screwing. Okay, then it's like this. And then if you want to tilt it and stuff like that, you can. Let me lower this so you guys can see. We have this right here. This is to put your phone on. So that's what this right here is for. I'm just going to screw it on there and go around and around and around. Because you guys, I have bought it from Amazon because I have another YouTube page called See and Break with my best friend. And check our page out. It'll be down below right here. She got one. And so I said I was gonna go ahead and get one off Amazon, and I had bad luck. So I was like, I don't want no problems. I don't have time to be getting mad, okay? Because you know when you get something in the mail, you be all excited and stuff. But when it's the wrong thing, you be like, be hurt. Be like hurt, like mad, depressed, you know. I was so sad. And you can put your phone in here. I gotta be careful, you guys, because these nails. I'm not trying to break ones. I need them done. And on the back, you have like knobs and stuff like that. But first, we gotta plug it up. You guys, I was about to try and turn it on without even plugging it up. So the thing is in the back right here between the two knobs to where you plug it up. We working right here. Yeah, there it goes. We have that. They go a little bit brighter. So I'm gonna put my light behind my laptop and let's see what difference it makes, you guys. I did pay a decent amount for it, but it was worth it of having it, knowing you have the right thing, getting it when you want it, not having to wait for it in the mail. You know, it's good quality as well. The stand is good quality, the light is good quality. It comes with a case, it comes with a pouch for charger and the cell phone holder. It even comes from you can put everything in this one bag. So go and get it. It's from Best Buy, and I said actually I love it. I love it, and I have a feeling I won't have to worry about it, you know, running out, getting damaged, not working, anything like that. So it's really good quality and it's big. It's blinding me right now, like it really is. So, but you can change the lighting and everything on it, you guys. Let's see. It's kind of far away from me right now. So right now it's not so bright. You can keep changing it. And it's a different lighting. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can. My glasses at, you guys. Time I can tell, and I can't even see that good right now. But yeah, I really like it. So let me turn it back up to it. I like it. Was it right there? I think it was right there. But anyways, that's our unboxing and product review in one, you guys. I suggest you guys go and get it, like for real. Go and get it. Best Buy, don't be cheap on it. Just go and get it. Worth the price. You won't have to worry about buying another one because the other one broke. That way you know you're getting something quality. You're getting some good quality for the price. But and it's, like I said, it's big. It's 19 inches. 19 inches. 19 inches. Okay, you guys? Make sure you go. But I really like it. It does everything and anything a normal one would do if you bought it off the internet or Amazon. But it comes with all the extra stuff. All the extra stuff, and you can just carry around everything in this one bag. So I suggest you guys go and get it. I did pay. I'm not gonna say the exact price. You gotta click the link below if you want to see that. I did pay over $70 for it. I'll say that, but it was worth the buy. It really was. Because if I would have reordered something and I would have still got the wrong thing, it would have came broken, it would have came late, I would have been mad. And I'm the type of person, I like to shop online. I'm an online shopper. But when my hopes get let down, like for real though, I get real hurt, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And hit the notification bell so you know when our next video is about to come up. Follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, and go follow us on Facebook. The link to the ring light will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and welcome to our new growing YouTube family. Bye.